Hello friends, this is the second chapter of integers. Okay now, first part we have discussed regarding the what is the integers and how the integers are recognized. Okay, how the integers are showing in the number lines also. What is the addition subtraction of the integers in a simplest manner. Okay, and the various property of the integers. Now in the second part we will be discuss about the how two integers will be added, subtract, multiply or divide. Okay, it is very important for you. Okay friends, so remember this one. If you have remember this funda, then all the problem you can solve it easily. Okay, first we know that in the first chapter we have discussed that integers is maybe plus or maybe minus, it is there. Okay, now we will create some relationship between the integers. Okay, now in case of addition, if two integers are in plus sign, what will happen? If the two integers, out of two integers, one is plus, another is minus, what will happen? And if plus or minus is there, what will happen? And when minus is there, then what will happen? Okay now? Now remember that if two integers are added with each other, then the result will be plus. If the integers having negative integers are added, then the result is also a negative one. But in these two cases, one positive, one negative, one positive of integers, what will happen? Okay, we will discuss one by one. First, addition case. Let an example of plus 2 plus 3. When we add these two numbers, then the result is what? 5. Plus 2 plus 3 and the integer is also a plus 5. Okay, the result is also coming in positive signs. Okay, if the second example, let in the case of minus 2 plus minus 3 is there. What will happen here? Okay, na? So what will happen? Here two integers are in negative signs. Okay, so in this case, what we have to do? We know that here minus 2, but here plus minus is there. If bracket is there, then they are multiplied with each other. Plus into minus is equal to minus 3. Okay, this case of multiplication will be studied later. Okay, after this one. Okay now, so now two of them are minus, so what it will be? Two of them will be added and the sign will be as it is. Okay, so this is the case of minus two negative integers. If they added, what is the result will coming? In the negative sign of the integer will be coming. Okay, but in these two cases, okay, what you have to do in the case of addition? The rule is, you have to remember this rule. Subtract the two integer and put greater value symbol. Okay now? Now what is the meaning of this one? Let's take an example. Okay now? Plus 8 minus plus 8 plus addition of plus 3. Okay now? So what will the result here? 1 plus 1 minus is there now? So what is the rule? Subtract the two integers. Which are the two integers? First, don't put the sign here. Don't forget about the sign. Now remember that. Subtract the two numbers. 8 minus 3. How much? 5 will be coming here. Okay. In between these two, which integer is larger? 8 is the larger one. So what is the sign of the integer? Minus. Then put here minus sign. Same in this case. What is that? 8 minus plus of minus 6. Okay. Here what is the step is there? Plus and minus will be multiplied because bracket is there. That's why 8 minus 6 will be there and the result is 2. Okay. It is the simplest one. But here one positive is there, one negative is there. No. So first subtract the number 2 is coming. what is the greatest integers sign? It is plus sign. So put the plus sign, or simply you can write it as 2. Okay na? So this is the case of addition between the two integers. Okay, and what is the result will coming? We are seeing here. Okay. Now the second one, come to the case of multiplication. Subtraction and division we will go later. Okay. Now in the case of subtraction, multiplication. Okay. Be careful, friends. If you will remember all these important points, then it will be very easy for us to solve any problem. Okay. Now come to the second one. Okay. Second one is what? Now, if two positive integers are multiplied with each other, the answer will be coming plus. If two integers having 1 plus 1 minus is there, then minus sign will become here. Same here, 1 plus 1 minus, then in case of multiplication, minus will come. But here the important thing is there. If two minus integers or the two negative integers are multiplied with each other, then the result will coming as plus. Remember this one. So this one you can try it. Same example. It is 5. Here also, what is that? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Here 1 minus is there. Minus 9. Sorry. Here multiplication is going on now. So here multiplication is going on. So be careful. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Here it is 2 into minus 3. Here what will happen? First, multiply these two numbers first. 6. Now put the sign. How much? Minus. Okay. Now another is what? Minus 4 into plus 3. Same case. Multiply these two. 12 will coming. What is the sign is there? Minus. Minus into plus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. According to the rule it is there. But here the cases is different. Okay. Suppose minus 6 into of minus 5 is there. Okay now. First multiply the numbers. Okay. How much? 30 will be coming here. Okay now. Then minus into minus. How much it will be? It will be plus. Okay. Plus 30 or 30. These are the simple fundas you have to be remember here. Okay. It will be very, very important to solve every problem. Okay now. Now come to the case of subtraction. If the two integers having different sign subtract with each other, what is the result will come? Just find out. Okay. Now come the case of subtraction. Okay. Be careful, friends. Just remember all those things. Okay. Now subtraction. If two positive integers are subtract with each other, what will happen? See, 2 minus plus 3. How much it is? Bracket will be open. Here 3 means plus 3 it is. So these two will multiply. 2 minus 3. According to our rule, what? 1 plus 1 minus will be there. Then what will happen? Subtract it. So 3 minus 2 how much? 1. What is the bigger integer sign? It is the smallest, it is the bigger. What is the sign? Minus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. So what will the result will come in? Here the coming result is minus. Okay. Now in the case of 1 plus subtraction of minus 1 plus 1 minus is there and subtraction is going on. What will happen? 2, these two will be multiplied because bracket is there, plus into minus into minus plus. How much it is coming? 6 is coming. So here the result will be plus. Here what will happen? Just check it. Okay. 1 minus. Minus of 2 is there. Okay. So what will happen? This is plus 1 multiplied minus 4 minus of 2. Two of them are minus. It is in addition case is there. In case of addition, what will happen? Both of them will be added and the minus symbol will be as it is. So result is what? What is the result? Minus is came here. Now if the case of 2 minus are there, what will happen? Let's check it. Minus 6 minus of minus 7. This is the answer, quotient. Okay. Simplest quotient. Okay. So minus 6. These two will be multiplied with each other. These signs are multiplied with each other first. So how much? Plus of 7. Now remember in case of addition what happened? 1 negative integer, one positive integer is there. So what we will do? Our rule is what? Subtract the number first. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, it is 1. Put the greater value symbol. Which value is greater? 7 is greater. What is the sign of the greater one? Plus. Okay, so plus 1 means this 1. So this is the result of the different subtraction here came. Okay, so integers how behaves here with the subtraction we are now find out. This is the very very important things you have to be remember it. Okay, now case of division. If the integer are divided with each other, then what will happen? Okay, now remember one by one, friends, so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, 10 divided by 5, both of them are positive, both of them are positive. We know it. 10 divided by how much? 2. Simplicity is there. 1 plus is there. Divided with 1 minus is there. What will be the result? What will be the result? We know that 20 divided by minus 4. Okay, this is plus. We know that, remember, in the case of multiplication, minus into minus is equal to plus. Yes or no? We know it or not? We have already done it. Minus into minus is equal to plus. To cancel plus 20, if I will brought another minus, then that plus will be cancelled. And this number will be 5. How much? Minus 5 is came here. Understood? Now, this is the second one. Now, this is the second one. Now the third one is what? Third one is what? Minus 20 divided by 10. Here 1 plus 1 minus is there. Same case will be there. But here plus is there in the below side. So not required to cancel it. 10 2s are 20. Okay. So minus 2 is the answer. Here also in the both the cases here also minus are coming. Okay. You have to check it according to your question, according to your given question. Okay. Now the last one. Minus 20 divided with minus 30. Okay, understood? This one will be put in the bracket because two signs are not joined with each other. If two signs are coming together, you have to be separate them with the brackets. Okay? So how much? Minus 20 divided by minus 30. Okay? Minus minus cancel. 10 2s are 10 3s are. How much it is coming? 2 by 3. These are the various examples of the integers when it will be, they are related with each other with subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Okay, friends? So it is very very important that you have to do it very carefully. So that I am making this box and to understand you easily, that's why I am creating this one. Okay? Now, in some time the questions are coming that, sometimes it is the question is coming as, now whatever we are studying, take an example of some cases. Minus 7 into minus 2. Again we will discuss it. Okay? First what happened? It is the multiplication case. Carefully. So what will happen? First multiply the number. 14. Second one is what? Multiply the minus 1. Minus into minus how much? Plus 14. Okay? Minus 7 minus of minus 4. If it is like this. So what will happen? You have to do what? First these two are, means you have to remember that these two integers are having negative sign and they are subtract with each other. Okay? So first open the bracket because it is multiplied and the remaining will be as it is minus 7 plus 4. Now here 1 minus 1 plus is there. What we will do? Our addition rule is there. What is that? Subtract the number 7 minus 4, 3 and get the and put the greatest value symbol. Which one is greatest? 7. What is the sign of the greatest number? Minus 3. Understood? Now addition. 2 plus minus 3. Here it is also the same case. One positive integer, one negative integer. But both the cases addition is going on. So please first take out the bracket, multiply 2 minus 3, 1 plus 1 minus. What will do? Same formula. That is what? subtract the two number, put the greater value symbol. These are the few examples, simplest example we have studied in the part 2. Okay, but sometimes the questions are coming back. What is that? What are the two integers whose sum is 7? So, in this question, you have to make a simple statement first. What is that? What are two integers? Suppose these two are two integers whose sum means addition. Okay, each means equal to 7. Okay, understood? So what should I write here? Here it is saying that two integers. Is it saying about the positive or negative integer? No, it is not. So we can do it. Which two number will we add here? 5 plus 2, 7. Both of them are what? Both of them are positive integers. If one negative, one positive will be there, what you have to do? So what we have to do? 7 means, what you have to do? Just tell me, friends. So you have to take one negative, one positive, means here the result is positive enough. So the positive one is greater one. How much? Let's take 10. Here minus 3. Yes or no? This plus and minus will be multiplied. 10 minus 3 will come in. Answer is 7 or not? So this is the type of question it is coming in your examinations. Okay. Now, if you saying that whose difference is 7, suppose first we are saying that their addition is, the sum is this much. Now the difference is how much? Difference means what? Again, make a statement. Difference, what is that? Equal to 7. Okay, this is the plus one. Plus means if the difference will come in, what will do? Then the positive integer is a greatest one. So what you have to do? Let 11 minus 4. It is 7 or not? Okay, 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Like this manner the questions are coming. So you have to be carefully do it. So from the starting we are saying that how to recognize a integer and how they are behaves with each other, how the integers will be showing in the number line, and the various property of the number line, various property of the integers in the various property of the integers, and now the behavior of the integers while they are added, subtract, multiplied or divide. Okay. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can comment me or you can write me. Okay. If you like it, then like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.